Last week, a comprehensive rumor supposedly revealed the Exynos 2400 chip specifications. However, some details may have lacked accuracy, and in light of a new report, the Exynos 2400 SoC might be even more powerful than initially believed. Samsung's in-house Exynos 2400 chipset, which rumors say will power the Galaxy S24 series in select markets, should have no fewer than 10 CPU cores. Previously, the CPU core configuration was thought to look something like this: 1X Cortex-X4 core at 3.1 GHz, 2X Cortex-A720 cores at 2.9 GHz, 3X Cortex-A720 cores at 2.6 GHz, 4X Cortex-A520 cores at 1.8 GHz. However, according to a new rumor shared by S24 on X, the Cortex-A520 efficiency cores in the Exynos 2400 chip will run at a higher frequency than 1.8 GHz. The source claims that the Exynos 2400 CPU core frequencies listed above are correct, save for one cluster. Namely, the high-efficiency 4-core Cortex-A520 cluster will operate at a higher frequency of 1.95 GHz instead of 1.8 GHz. The source claims these specifications are 100% correct. Previous reports also indicate that the upcoming Exynos 2400 SoC's Exynos 940 graphics chip will have twice as many GPU cores as the Exynos 2200's Exynos 920. In addition, the Exynos 2400 should be compatible with UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. After Samsung released the Exynos 2200 chip in early 2022, the company decided to rely entirely on Qualcomm's chips for the next-generation Galaxy S flagships released in 2023 and take this time to perfect its chip-making craft. Whether or not Samsung succeeded is to be determined, but at least on paper, the upcoming Exynos 2400 SoC has a lot of potential. The Exynos 2400 chip is expected to debut early next year alongside the Galaxy S24 flagship series, although in some markets, the flagship trio will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.